I first heard about UTPB from my sister. She went here and graduated back in 2015, and she said it was one of the best decisions of her life. You're not just a number to the UTPB, you're an individual that has aspirations and feelings that the university actually cares about. You'll know your professors and be able to talk with them, and it's ease of access in a lot of different ways. I am a senator with the Student Government Association. I am the Financial Affairs Committee Chair within the Student Government Association. I am also the president of the Coalition of Organized Gaming. So I also work in the financial aid office as a student worker. I've been with them since my freshman year.
But we do have scholarships through the General Scholarship Application.
After I graduate, I want to work in the court systems. So I plan on, I'm actually interning at the DA's office here with Ector County. You're not just a number to the UTPB, you're an individual that has aspirations and feelings that the university actually cares about. You'll know your professors and be able to talk with them, and it's ease of access in a lot of different ways. Like I said before, from financial aid to knowing your professors to trying to succeed to the best of your abilities. The university helps out with that. Community is also really great. I have probably made what I consider my best friends and the people that I'm going to continue to talk to and hang out with even well after graduation. I see the people I've made friends with here as those I'm going to continue to talk to for the rest of my life.
Can you check the student's Pell lifetime limit?
It relieves the pressure off of me to try and focus on making sure my payments are made, or worrying about, okay, can I cover this next payment in my payment plan? It allows me to focus on my schoolwork, my social life, all of that without having to worry about, oh, am I going to be able to pay this? It's a relief from that.
How much you can support yourself in that regard?
Whether it's for selfish reasons or for reason, like to feel good about yourself, there's always a reason for someone to give. It doesn't matter what amount you do, it always helps out in some way. Because every dollar you give, that's another opportunity for a student to continue their career and continue their education here at UTPB. I would just say thank you so much, because literally without their help, I may not be here at UTPB. I would not have the funds to cover the costs of college, or at the very least, I would be much more severely in debt. And worrying about that, my future self would be much more financially in trouble without their help.